Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the SSD, identify whether it's a 2, 5, SATA or M, 2 NVMe and note the connector. Next, pick an enclosure that matches that interface, USB 3, 1 or 3. 2 with USB is ideal for speed. Open the enclosure and once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap. Install a thermal pad for NVMe if included. Make sure screws are ready and the drive seats firmly before closing the case. After assembling the SSD into the enclosure, connect it to your computer using the best cable you have. Use USB-C/3, 2 for maximum throughput. Once detected, open Disk Management or Disk Utility and initialize the disk as GPT for modern compatibility. Create partitions according to use, one large volume for storage or multiple for separation. Format with XFAT for cross-platform or NTFS for Windows only, and label the volume. Verify transfer speed with a sample file to confirm proper operation. Finish by securely closing the enclosure and mounting any rubber grommets to reduce vibration. Safely eject the drive before unplugging to avoid file corruption. If the drive isn't recognized, swap the cable and USB port, test the drive inside a different enclosure or adapter, and check for enclosure firmware updates. If speeds are lower than expected, enable USB support in drivers, ensure you're on a USB 3. Export, and run an SSD health check. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.